Welcome to the Smith house. Here we go on our tour. We're gonna walk up the walkway and up the deck here into the front door. And then right over here, we're gonna have Pat's office. Look at that view. We'll continue walking into the living room where we're gonna have our couches. And then over here, we're gonna have a partial wall that goes all the way from floor to ceiling with a walkway on either side. And in there will be a fireplace, and we'll have our TV and our cabinets for all of our games. Into the great big kitchen. This will all be countertop and cooktop with an island right about here with a prep sink. And I can look out and see the great big world through these windows, or go out onto the deck through my door. Over here, we'll have our dining room, and that big space will be our 4-panel sliding glass door. To the left will be our stairs that go up and down into the very tall basement. It's difficult to see, but it's got really high ceilings. I think they're 8-foot ceilings. Oh yeah, and my music room will be right next door to Pat's office. So through those 4-panel sliding glass doors, we'll be able to go out on our big deck that will be here. That deck will wrap around to our back door, which will be right here. In through the back door, we have our mud room where we'll be able to take off our shoes and drop our things. We'll have our washer and dryer back here in this corner. And we'll have a pass-through right in this space that we can drop our groceries, because on the other side of this wall will be my pantry. And in this little spot, that will be our powder room. Welcome to the first floor of our home.